What's up, people? You're welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today I'm gonna be showing you all the dresses I got from Fashionista. Of course, you guys have seen I've made like two videos which I got some dresses from her, and I showed you guys the clothes and all of that, and you know, most of you guys were saying the clothes are nice and all of that. So well, if you do find the video interesting, and if you think that the clothes are nice on me, and you know, tell me which one you love the most, don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're new. And yep, so this is one of the stuff I got from her, because honestly now I just don't want to leave my house wearing like slippers, because usually my office is here in this place. Okay, since it is here, you know, I find it very difficult to like wear an official clothes going out. I hope you do understand what I mean. Yeah, so since I said no, that can't continue, because even when I was working for some people, I used to dress very well. So you know, I went out to her and I got some pair of shoes which I've shown you guys the previous ones, and this one are different. Now I love things like this because they are very comfortable. Okay, I know that the long and the very tiny mouth and very small heel shoe is a very like trending, popular kind of shoe, but it's not something that would be very comfortable. Okay, that's why I've not gotten it first, but I'm still going to buy it. Yeah, but for now this is just so very comfortable, and I can run with this. Okay, this went for 6,000 naira. Not too expensive though. It's same price as you would get it online. Okay, and oops, I got some dresses. Though the bag is torn. I got this dress like few days ago, but I refused to wear it on except one. I said I have to show you guys first before wearing all the dresses and all of that. Okay, so these are the clothes I got from her. Yeah, alright, so I'm going to be showing you guys one after the other, and I got just one pant, and I'm going to be using this one pant to wear all the top I got from her. Alright, this is, I love black pants. It goes with everything, every freaking damn thing, you know. And I got the top. The top is really sweet. Alright, so I'm gonna be wearing this with the shoe. The only thing I'm gonna be changing right now is just the top, because I got so much top. Because of course you can wear one pant today, another black pants tomorrow. I have like 3 black pants, and I have some jeans also. Okay, so I can wear black pants, change it, wear another black pants, change it, you know, so stuff like this can go. So I'll go change this up and I'll be right back, so keep watching, baby. Alright, so here's the first top and pants, and with the shoe, you know, look at the behind. Although I don't have hips, but I love it just the way it is, you know. How it is. How is the dress on me? Is it beautiful? Alright, so this is the first one, and I'm gonna add on to change to the next one, which is almost similar. Why is it almost similar? This is almost similar. Okay, this is almost similar to this. I'm gonna go change to this so you guys can see. Yep. Alright, so this top matches with the shoe down there, and it's really beautiful like this. Look at the behind. I know. Alright, so this is how it is. And look at the hand flowing. How do you see this? I love the shoes though. It's very simple and I can, you know that. Alright, so this is this, and let me change to the next one. So alright, so let me change to another top. Let me just do top now. So I got this polo top. Alright, before I change to the polo top, I got this one. Alright, though I've already worn this one, but I'm still gonna wear it for you guys to see. I wore this on Sunday, and oh, so beautiful. I love this. I love this. Alright, so let me change and I'll be back. Alright. Yup. So this one is a dancing, flowing kind of top. Is really pretty, and I love this so much. I wore this on Sunday, and I wore my brooch, you know, just to cover up this place, because you have to be decent when you're going to church, but nonetheless it's not too exposed. It's perfect, it's cool, and I love it. It flows really good, like that, you know. How is it on me? Beautiful, right? Yeah, beautiful. I know that. So the next one I want to try on is the polo top. But yeah, I got two gowns. Alright, these are the gown that I got. I'm going to wear that without the pants here, so I'm going to be changing to this. And also I got this two sleeveless that I can wear for evening stroll and all of that. I got the black, I got the red. Beautiful. And let me change to this. I'll be back. Okay, so one thing that I love about dresses is black and black, and sometimes the shoe has to be black. Like, it really bring out, you know, your beauty, especially when you're fair in complexion. It really makes you really sparkle, beautiful and shiny, you know. That's okay. So this is my Ankara top, and I love it. Yep. How is it? Beautiful, right? It's the native, you know, stuff around here, and really nice. Okay, so before I went ahead to test the gown, I'm gonna be testing this too. Okay, at first I'll have to go with this first before going with this. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so this has to be like an evening kind of wear. All right, and you know, if you have to wear it, I don't know if I'm going to be putting on bra, but I feel comfortable putting on bra. I don't mind, even if the bra shows. I don't give a damn. But yeah, it's beautiful and simple, and also really smart, you know, that's ready for any action, you know what I mean. Alright, so this is this one. Let me put on this one before going to the gown. Right, so this one is the same as the red one. The only difference is that this is black and that is red, and you know, putting it on with a black pant would make it pop out, like to make the beauty comes out very well. How is it? Beautiful? Yup. Yo, you have to arrange everything, every freaking thing, you know that. Alright, so this is how it looks. Simple though, I just needed to show you guys, that's all. Okay, so let me put on the gown and the gown. So you're gonna tell me which of the gown you love more, because I kind of love this one more than this, but this one is, anyway, you're gonna see. So let me go change and put on this. Okay, so here is the gown. Alright, and this gown really goes with the shoe. Alright, and this hand is beautiful though. Simple gown, not too expensive. So anytime I want to wear it, I have to wear a string pant, you know, so it doesn't have to cut around here just like the way it's doing right now. But other than that, I think it's cute. Alright, that's it. So going forward to the last but not the least in this category of clothing, I am going to be changing it. Like, I'm super duper tired of standing up and sitting down. Oh my god. Oh. Alright, so let me do the last one. Alright, so here is the last gown, and this is just the reason why I love this gown. This makes me love the gown really much. Like, but the gown is so duper simple, like simpler, but it's sexy, it's beautiful, and it's white. Oh, how I wish I was having a very big hip. You know how this gown would look on me, but nonetheless I love my hip just the way it is, baby. I love it. Alright, so that's it. Oh my god, oh my god. Alright, so that's it. Those are the clothes I got from Fashionista. They are not so very much expensive. The polo top is 2,000. The small, just ones, I think they are 2,000 also. And the pants is 2,500. The gown, this is 4,500. This is 4,500. And all of the stuff, each is 3,500. Yup. So maybe she gave me on a discounted rate, or maybe that's the price, but nonetheless I love them. They are really cute. And yeah, I'm gonna also be leaving her number at the description box. If you're in Abuja, you can call her, you know, to visit her, or you can ask that she brings some stuff for you. And that is it, guys. If you do find this video interesting, please thumbs up and tell me which of the clothing that fits me more or that you think you love more. Anyways, I'm gonna be wearing all of them, baby. So share the video, and if you're new to my channel, also subscribe, and I'll be back soon. Bye guys.